Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this in-hand throw blanket that I got. This is just such pretty quality. It is really lightweight. It's not a super heavy throw. It's 50 by 60 inches, so it's a really good size. It is knitted acrylic, so it has this beautiful knitted diamond pattern in it, and then these really pretty long tassels. The tassels have stayed really nice. They haven't gotten knotted up or tangled at all. They just stay looking really pretty. I bought this for my living room to throw over one of my armchairs. I think this would also look so pretty in like a bedroom to throw on your bed for a nice little accent on there. I did get the white just because it matched my throw pillows, but it does have different colors. I think this would be perfect for maybe like a travel shawl also because of how lightweight it is. This is machine washable and it actually holds up amazing. It felt even softer and fluffier after I washed it. I just think that this is the perfect little accent throw to have around your home that's especially going to stay really nice and really in good condition. I've had this for a few months now. I have kids, so I've had to wash it. It's held up great. It still looks just as beautiful as when I got it. I love the size and I love the lightweightness of it. I didn't want something super heavy now that it's summer. It just looks so pretty in my home. So if you are looking for something like this, I would highly recommend you look into it. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.